Dear children, good morning. Welcome to the online class of Sri Gokulam Public School. Last class, we discussed about poverty line. Today, let's discuss about causes of poverty in India. In India, as you know, we have abject poverty. When we analyze causes of poverty in India, so many causes are there for poverty in India. First of all, let's analyze two important causes of poverty, namely underdevelopment and inequality. The twin causes of poverty in India are underdevelopment and inequality. What do you mean by underdevelopment? Underdeveloped, less developed, backward nature of our economy. What are the features of a backward economy or a less developed economy? Do you know? Underdeveloped economy or a backward economy is characterized by the following features. Number one, low level of per capita income and national income. Second one, low level of growth, that is GDP growth. Third one, rapid rate of growth of population, or you can say high pressure of population. Fourth one, unemployment and underemployment. Fifth one, lack of capital and lack of technology. And sixth one, lack of infrastructure. Okay, what are they? Low level of per capita income and national income. Second one, low level of growth, that is GDP growth. Third one, high pressure of population. Fourth one, unemployment and underemployment. Fifth one, lack of capital and lack of technology. And sixth one, lack of infrastructure. Okay, these are the important features of underdevelopment. Underdeveloped economy is characterized by unutilization or underutilization of natural, human and capital resources. Why? Unutilization or underutilization of resources. This is either due to lack of capital or due to lack of technology or some other social and economic factors which prevents dynamic changes in an economy. Okay, so what do you mean by underdevelopment? Underdevelopment means underdeveloped economies are characterized by unutilization or underutilization of natural, human and capital resources. Okay, the basic feature of an underdeveloped economy is laborers are surplus and capital is scarce. Underdeveloped economies are labor surplus economies. Why laborers are surplus? Because of high rate of growth of population. Capital is scarce or limited, characterized by deficiency of capital. Okay, so on the one side, population is growing fast. On the other side, because of the capital deficiency, economy is growing slowly. In other words, increase in population is at a faster rate than the increase in the number of job opportunities. The net result is open unemployment and underemployment. Poverty is just the reflection of all this, isn't it? High rate of growth of population on the one side, deficiency of capital on the other side. As a result, economy failed to provide enough employment for the growing labor force. Labor surplus economy, characterized by deficiency of capital. Okay. Now, the second important cause of poverty in India is inequality. What do you mean by inequality? Inequality means, as you know, inequality in the distribution of income and wealth. That is, unequal distribution of income and wealth. Inequality shows not only the size of unequal distribution of income and wealth, but also the possibilities of widening the gulf between rich people and poor people in the near future. In India, we have chronic inequality. For example, if you refer 20% low income group, you can see that only 8% of the national income is owned by them. And if we refer 20% high income group, we can see that almost 46% of the national income is owned by them. So what happened? The number of billionaires have been increasing, but the poor people still continue, still struggling, for their survival. Okay? What happened? The number of billionaires have been increasing, but the poor people still continue their struggle for survival. Okay? So how can we say the two important causes of poverty in India are underdevelopment and inequality. Our structural problem is deficiency of capital on the one side, high pressure of population on the other side. So, increasing population is at a faster rate than the increase in the number of job opportunities. Okay, the net impact is high level of unemployment and high level of unemployment and high level of poverty. Isn't it? How can you tell? Our structural defect or our structural problem is lack of capital. What do you mean by capital? That is investment or capital formation. It is very essential for accelerating the process of growth and development. For example, to create enough infrastructure, we require enough capital or capital formation. As a result, low level of infrastructure or lack of infrastructure, low level of employment opportunities, low level of employment, low level of output or low level of production and productive capacity. As a result, what happened? Economy failed to absorb the growing labor force. Okay, economy failed to absorb the growing labor force. Low level of capital, low level of production, low level of employment and high level of poverty. How can you explain? Poverty is just the reflections of all these. Population on the one side, lack of capital on the other side, along with chronic inequality in the distribution of income and wealth. Okay, so people in India, they are born in poverty, grow in poverty, live in poverty and die in poverty. Isn't it? Poverty transfers from generation to generation.